am Dr. M.K. Kaushik, CEO of VIBA. VIBA stands for Vagdevi Incubation and Business Accelerator. We as a VIBA, what we do is we foster innovation and entrepreneurship in student community. In order to bring innovation and entrepreneurship in students, we conduct so many events like hackathons, codeathons, business plan competitions and other e-summit events. There we observe students who have this entrepreneurial tinge in them. We bring them on VIBA board and then we train them and we ask them about their ideas. Once they tell their ideas, we work on those ideas and we see that comes out as a startup. Now as a VIBA, we are a team of 35 members. All 35 members are students. These students are selected from our various events and they are working as core members to take care of VIBA operations. Now in VIBA, we have 5 startups who are into edutech, fintech and then fashion tech, and other startups are working in few domains like agri-tech and all. Other than this, we have 3 startups who are in ideation stage. They are working on survey and then after 1 or 2 months they'll be coming and developing their product. In this 1.5 year of Vagdevi Incubation and Business Accelerator, we have almost touched 6,000 plus students, and we have done events where students have participated from almost 18 states and 125 colleges. So this is how we are encouraging people to come and take up this entrepreneurship. Why? Because if you see the situation, instead of seeking for jobs, job creation plays an important role in this era. So that is where Vagdevi groups is concentrating on students who have this entrepreneurial tinge in them. As I said, we have so many startups. In order to support these startups, we have our mentor pool also. These mentors are from industries and various academic backgrounds. They are helping out our startups in developing the products into market ready state. So this is what our team is, and we have few industry collaborations. Why? Because if you are running an incubation center, as students are important, mentors are also very important. With this group, if we have industry mentors also, the industry inputs can be given to students and mentors so that the market ready products can be given. In this direction, we have done MOUs with 12 companies who are into different walks of product designs. So we have 12 industry collaborations with us who are working on this direction.